Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can use shift register block in Siemens PLC logo. Let's get started. First of all, I will open my logo soft comfort software, and here we can design the new program. For example, this also can be used. This is the blocks of the shift register, but if we will need the new one, so we can delete this one and we will create the new. I will delete this. First we need one input address, for example where we have to be give the enabling function, and second you have to be scroll down in the left side, and downside you can see here the shift register block. Click it on this one or drag and drop it here in the window, and this block is the shift register block. What this block doing, this will be shift the memory into next yani 8-bit data. Here is in the logo PLC, that's the 8-bit data can be moves. So first we use this one, and one we will take one more input address here, also one input we will take more address, and one we will take the counter, and one timer we will be use here for testing purpose. We can use when you're using in the program, use your own way. I'm just showing you as the our timer use. Our timer, if you like to use, it's okay, or you use to be single pulse generator also you can use. Here you can see in the here synchronous pulse generator, this also we can use, because of we need the single pulse to generate our bits journey, and also we can see the bits journey how we can move. So here we will take one counter, up down counter. Here we can choose this one counter, okay, and arrange properly, no problem. And this one I2 I will give the signal to for enabling our, this is input pulse generator, and it will be giving the single pulse after 1 seconds after increments comes at the our counter, okay. And when this increment comes at the counter, it will be automatically give the countings at the shift register. This we can give for enabling point I1, okay. And we can make here one signal to give the trigger to the from the single pulse journey from here to this shift register, okay. And this values we can give in the seconds. For example 50 value I will put, no problem, because of 50, 60, 55, 60 seconds, the milliseconds, this is the time. And interpulse width also we can give 50 or 60, no problem, and put it, okay. And after this countings, no problem, this will be continue move. And here also you can give one more signal if you need. For example one more signal input need, here you can put, and this you can make for the reset, okay. And here also if you like to be counting, like to be make it reset, also one more signal you can choose and connect with this one R, okay. It will be when you press this one I4, after this counter will be go to reset. Otherwise when your simulation stops, also this will be automatically stop. And next we have to be choose the shift registers here. This is shift register bit. You can see here the shift register bit. Here you can choose. It's total 8 bits data you have to be used, and I will choose it here S1, S2, and here one more 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This is our total 8-bit data, and that's we can also arrange in the one line. And also you can connect it the output. If you like to connect the output, it can be possibly no problem. Here you can make it Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, 5, 7, 8. Nothing issue. This you have to be look like same. You have to arrange. If no like to be connected this one, this is your. This you have to be connect with this one, and this you have to be connect with Q4, and this you have to be connect with Q3, and this you have to be connect with Q2, and this you have to be connect with Q1. After also you can arrange this all, but it will be just only learning purpose. I will show you this. And now I will make the simulation on, and now you can see also here Q1 up to Q8. When I give the trig here, for example, one signal I will give it here, and after I will give the this pulse generator when I will be start, and after you can see this will be automatically move this one. Now if three signals go, it will be moves three datas in the next two threes. You can see now threes are completed, it will be finished. And again we will make it this one reset. For example, this I make the reset, and after once we will be make start this one, you can see this is the giving continuously signal. Here is it 17. I will make this one I4 when it will be 0. Okay, and now as I remove this one signal, after it will be start. So I will make it this one on, and I will start here, and I will start once, and again start this one, and you can see this is the two bits now moving in the serial, right? And if you want like to be moved, also we can move the one signal, make it this one reset, and after this is trig automatically giving. Here we have to be just giving the one signal, and now you can see just one signal I gives. This is the one value moves into the next in Q8, and after you can make it the reset again. After it will be start again. I give the one signal, you can see one moves. And if I give the signal two signals, it will be two bits move in the serial. For an example, we will give the two signals. I will make reset this one, and again I will give the two signals. Now you can see this is one. Now here I one more signal give. You can see this is now two the signal moves in the, oh sorry, this is continuously on. If after how much any bit signals you giving here, that will be moves in the serial, right? Reset this again, and again we will give the two signals, 1 2. Now you can see one is leaving, 1 2 and 2. So this way you can choose. And also if you like to, for example, change the direction, so you have to be choose one more signal here. This is the direction signal. In the bit register, you can choose from the input here, and you can put this one with the direction. It will be change the direction of your bits. I will start this one, for example, start the simulation, and you can see now it's a running start from the Q8. As I start my I2, my counter will be started, and we will give the signal at first we will give the I5 the signal, and after I will give the one signal. After you can see it's the reverse yani running 4 3 2 1, and again we will make the reset. And after when you remove this signal I5, and again when you give the signal at I1, so you can it's starting now from the right to left. Anyhow, you left or right to left, if you like to move, you can move this value. So hope guys you will be understand about this shift registers, how we can use in the program in Logo PLC. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.